So hi friends, today we are going to see about how to remove objects in a photo. For that I will use the app named Touch Retouch. There were several options given in this app. First, when you has opened the app, open the image that you want to remove an object. Firstly, I will select a post box image. It looks like this. Then now I have to remove the object, that is another off post box which was unnecessary in this photo. For that I will use quick removal tool and apply scratch on it. It will automatically give an amazing thing that here happens, that the extra objects gone very soon. Nextly I will choose the removal tool, remove objects that such as big items. Scratch on that object and click on go. Now it will process. After some time you can see the background images will become transparent in every places. So now next we are going to see about lasso tool. In here you also use lasso tool to do the selections that you want to remove. Okay, I will do it like this here and clicks on go. Next I am going to show you about the eraser tool now. For that, if you have a ring shape that you want to remove, just draw a circle and use the eraser to rub off the center surface and click on the go button. So in the settings you can adjust the size of the brush. Nextly, I will choose another image that I would like to show you how to remove the straight lines. If you have an image and there is an unnecessary lines or anything as a fallen in a line, you just use line selection tool and scratch over the line. Here you can see the amazing thing that has happened. The lines automatically get removed. Maybe it looks some of the pixel difference, but it looks very well when it was far away. Next I will open another face that contains many pimples. To remove the pimples you have to use, I'll first go to selection tool and select pimples and zoom over it and click on the pimples. Just simply to click, it will automatically remove and gives us a shiny and clear face. It was an amazing app, but you have to pay some amount to download this pro version. But in previous video I have put it how to download apps in an easy way, that is paid apps for free. And in this app you can also export to our galleries and share this to your friends as JPEG, PNG and TIFF file. It has given some of the several qualities that you want to save. After, I have also given the link in description. You can click and subscribe now and download the app. Do you want to travel with us for many like yours? Then subscribe now.